This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, March 31st. Information provided on this report is supplied by various stock marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top fully cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 471 to 488, 8 to 900 489 to 516, 7 to 800 540 to 591, 6 to 700 595 to 617, 5 to 600 680 to 729. 4 to 500, 735 to 775, 3 to 400, 865 to 1040. Heifers 900 plus, 415 to 440, 8 to 900, 464 to 473, 7 to 800, 481 to 526, 6 to 700, 534 to 567, 5 to 600, 601 to 652, 4 to 500, 675 to 730, 3 to 400, $8 to 840. Yesterday in Central Alberta, younger herd dispersal cows and bred heifers traded from $4,500 per head to $5,800 per head. On a light tested market, cow-calf pairs traded up to $6,700 per pair. Alberta direct cattle sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Packer inquiries have already been noted. Inventory-wise, packers are short bought, and there is not a lot of extra cattle to go around. One thing supporting the fed market is that non-fed volumes have tightened, leaving extra hooks to fill with youthful cattle. In January, Canadian beef retail prices were reported at $28.34 per kilogram, just shy of the record high set back in November. Retail beef prices are 28% higher than last year. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows, 237 to 254, D3 cows, 215 to 230. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 252 to 262. In the U.S., there's no new trade report. With the Easter weekend upcoming, both buyers and sellers would like to get business wrapped up early. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 240 on a live basis. For-state show list volumes have been reported smaller, with the largest declines in fed supplies noted in the southern feeding states. Beef cutout values closed higher yesterday. All primals are trading above last year except choice ribs. Last week, U.S. 90% trim prices established new record highs. This should further support the Fed complex as end cuts such as chucks and rounds are being ground down. National bone cows averaged $321.30 dressed. The Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 71.98, down 6 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. April 240.67, up 112. June 241, up 80. August 238.20, up 90. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.